Hello and welcome to CBS Institute. Welcome to Current Affairs Quiz dated 26th February 2021. Let's get started with the first question. Recently, the IRDAI has formed 14-member committee to review its information and cyber security guidelines. Who is the head of the committee? See here, IRDAI. IRDAI stands for Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. IRDAI is the insurance regulator, in the country India, which means all the insurance companies are regulated by IRDAI. See, recently the IRDAI released guidelines which are related to cyber security. Okay, again the IRDAI has formed a committee consisting of 14 members. This committee will review the guidelines issued by the IRDAI earlier. Okay, so these guidelines will be reviewed by the committee which is consisting of 14 members. Now the head of the committee is Professor Janaki Raman. So here option C is the correct answer. Professor Janaki Raman. See, Professor Janaki Raman is the chief of Institute for Development and Research in Banking Technology, which is IDRBT, which is headquartered in Hyderabad, Telangana. So he is the chief of Institute for Development and Research in Banking Technology. So he is the chief of IDRBT. Now he is also the chief of the committee which has been formed by IRDAI to review its information and cyber security guidelines. See, IRDAI is headquartered at Hyderabad. Subhas Chandra Kuntia. He is the chairman of IRDAI. See, in India, all the banks are regulated by Reserve Bank of India. Similarly, all the insurance companies are regulated by IRDAI. So who is the chief of IRDAI? Subhas Chandra Kuntia, headquartered at Hyderabad. Okay, this is IRDAI headquarters location. So answer is option C. Next question. In which of the following states have the fossils of Dickinsonia been found recently? C. Long million years back, there lived animals and other creatures as well. Okay, after they died, they become part of the soil. Okay, later their bones, their skin become something which is called fossils. So remains of the creatures. See here, Dickinsonia, which is considered to be the Earth's oldest animal. Okay, see, recently at Auditorium Cave, which is in Bhimbetka rock shelter, which is in Madhya Pradesh. See, at the Auditorium Cave, the fossils, which means remains are the fossils of the Earth's oldest animal, which is Dickinsonia, were found by the experts from Geological Survey of India. So the place is Auditorium Cave. Okay, Bhimbetka rock shelter, which is in Madhya Pradesh. So here, in which of the following states have the fossils, which means remains of Dickinsonia, been found recently? So option A becomes the correct answer. Okay. So GSI stands for Geological Survey of India, which is headquartered at Kolkata, West Bengal. See, Ranjit Rath. Ranjit Rath is the director of Geological Survey of India. So this becomes important from examination point of view. We can study it from science and technology point of view. Okay, so another point here to be kept in mind is the auditorium cave is also one of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. UNESCO World Heritage Sites. UNESCO World Heritage Sites. So we discussed in our earlier videos what UNESCO stands for. UNESCO stands for United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization, which is headquartered at Paris. Paris is the capital city of France. Andre Azoulay is the Director General of UNESCO. So here option A is the correct answer, that is Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Assam government has appointed who among the following sportswomen as Deputy Superintendent of Police, that is DSP. Okay, see, recently the Assam government has appointed Sprinter Hima Das as Deputy Superintendent of Police. Okay, so here Assam government has appointed the Sprinter Hima Das as the Deputy Superintendent of Police. See, here option B is the correct answer. See, here option A, Duty Chand. Whenever you encounter name of any sports woman or sportsman, you will have to know the sport that he or she is associated with. See, Hima Das is the sprinter, that is running. Sprinter. Okay, runner. So here Duty Chand. See, Duty Chand is also sprinter, runner. Okay, from Odisha. Next to Hima Das, she belongs to the state Assam. Okay, she is also sprinter. Rani Sarnobat. Next option, Rani. This is Rani Sarnobat. She is the shooter. She is the shooter from Maharashtra. And next to Vinesh Phogat, she is wrestler. From Haryana. So Managni Joshi. Okay, actually this is Manasi Joshi. Okay, Manasi Joshi. So she is associated with badminton. Okay, that is para badminton. Okay, whenever you see the word here para, this is associated with handicapped. Okay, so handicapped, para badminton. So option B is the correct answer, that is Assam government has appointed Hima Das as the Deputy Superintendent of Police. Next question. What is the capital city of the country Niger? See, the country Niger is different from the country Nigeria. Okay, so Nigeria and Niger both are not same, they are different. Okay, see, the capital city of the country Niger is Niamey. See, this question has been asked here because there were presidential elections in the country Niger. Okay, see, Mohamed Bazoum has been elected the president of the country. Niger. Mohamed Bazoum. See, here, who among the following has been elected as the president of the country Niger can also be asked in our exam. Mohamed Bazoum. See, here the capital city of the country Niger is Niamey. Option A is the correct answer. See, Abuja is the capital city of the country Nigeria. Bamako is the capital city of the country Mali. Nairobi is the capital city of Kenya. Nairobi is the capital city of Kenya. Okay, so capital city of Kenya. Okay, Windhoek is the capital city of the country Namibia. Namibia, this is the country, the capital city of which is Windhoek. Okay, here option A is the correct answer. Next question, which country hosted the meeting of BRICS Finance and Central Bank deputies? See here, deputies. Okay, so BRICS stands for Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. Okay, so in Brazil there is finance ministry, and in Russia as well there is finance ministry, in China, in India also, China and South Africa also. Okay, so for this ministry, for finance ministry, the highest person is finance minister. Okay, so there are some deputies as well. There are some deputies as well, which may be minister of state, which means deputy minister. Okay, so secretaries as well. Okay, so these are called deputies. These are called deputies, which means one rank lower. One rank lower. So recently, BRICS Finance and Central Bank deputies meeting was hosted. Meeting was hosted. Okay, here another point. South Africa has a central bank. Okay, China also has central bank. India, Russia, Brazil. Okay, so central bank, there are chiefs for central banks, and lower persons, one rank lower, are called deputies. One rank lower are called deputies. See, the meeting for these deputies was held recently. This is on 24th February. This is on 24th February 2021. Okay, so this meeting was hosted by the country India. Hosted by the country India. Okay, see, from finance ministry, the meeting was co-chaired by Tarun Bajaj, which means from finance ministry, Tarun Bajaj participated as deputy. See, Tarun Bajaj is Economic Affairs Secretary. Economic Affairs Secretary in the finance ministry. Okay, from central banks. Okay, from central bank. So India's central bank is Reserve Bank of India. So in the capacity of deputies, Michelle Debabata Patra has attended the meeting. That is meeting of BRICS Finance and Central Bank deputies. So here option A is the correct answer, that is India. Next question, when was the NABARD established? See, NABARD stands for National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. See, this was established on 12th July in the year 1982. So this bank was established on the recommendations of Shivaraman Committee, very important from examination point of view. There could be a question on the recommendations of which of the following committees the NABARD was established. So here it is Shivaraman Committee. So NABARD was established on 12th January 1982. Okay, see, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development is headquartered at Mumbai. Govinda Rajulu Chintala is the current chairman of NABARD. So here option B is the correct answer, that is July 12th July 1982.